In this session, we are going to discuss structure design, and in case of structure design, we shall try to find out a well organized way to find the solution of the software. So structure design is a conceptualization of problem into several well organized elements of solution. So it is basically concerned with the solution design, how the solution will get designed. Benefits of structure design is that it gives better understanding of how the problem is going to get solved. Structure design also makes it simpler for designer to concentrate on the problem towards more accuracy. So that is the main advantage of structure design. Structure design is mostly based on divide and conquer strategy, where a problem is broken into several small problems and each small problem is individually solved until the whole problem is being solved. So as a result of that, in case of structured design, we are going to apply divide and conquer model. So what is the divide and conquer model? This problem will be divided into several sub-problems and we shall go on solving those sub-problems until the main solution is being reached. The small pieces of problem are solved by means of solution modules. Structured design emphasizes that these modules be well organized in order to achieve the precise solution of the main problem. So that's why as we are using divide and conquer method, so if we can solve our sub problems, so accumulating those solutions, we can get the solution of the main software. So structured design emphasizes that these modules be well organized in order to achieve the precise solution of the main problem. These modules are arranged in hierarchy and they communicate with each other. A good structured design always follows some rules for communication between the multiple modules. In the earlier videos, we have discussed what is modularization and why we go for module based design. You can watch that video for the better understanding of this concept. And here you see a good structured design always follows the rules and regulations for the communication in between multiple cooperating modules. So cohesion, grouping of all functionally related elements. So within a module, how the codes and statements and instructions residing within a module, how far they are correlated, what is the cohesiveness in between. So that is known as the cohesion. And coupling, communication between multiple different modules will decide the nature of coupling. A good structured design has high cohesion and low coupling arrangements. In the earlier videos, we have discussed what is the cohesion, what is the coupling, what are the different types of cohesion and coupling types are there, and always in a good software design, we always expect high cohesion within the module statements and instructions and low coupling in between the modules. So in this way, we have defined and we have discussed more on this structured design. Thanks for watching this video.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.